Make sure it doesn't squirt my face like last time. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this month's Sephora Play Box. For some reason, I always get these a little bit later into the month, and it kind of sucks because I want to get it like when the first comes around. But if you'd like to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so y'all already know what the Sephora Play Box comes in. It comes in this black and white signature Sephora colors. And you will also get a little pamphlet that comes with it, and then all the items, let's get rid of this box. All the items come in this little plastic bag. It's perfect for travel. If you have any liquids and stuff like that, you don't want to get on your clothes or kind of break while in transit. So of course, you always get also the 50 additional beauty points. So anything that you like out of your box and you decide to buy the actual full size of it, you can get an extra 50 beauty points on it. And let's see what this month is all about. So it says, greetings from Play. National Best Friend Day is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate with some handmade beauty cards. Where is it at? Oh, I got that there was like some cards you can do. So let's see, we got, it says Beauty BFFs. It says extra long lashes to glowing skin. These are the products you'll want to write home or to your bestie about. So I do a quick glance at it, but we're just gonna go ahead and just dive in and see what we got in this box. So what is this? Looks like a Lancome product. So we have this Lancome, and it's a super enhancing mascara base. I'm assuming this is like a primer. I've been really enjoying, you guys already know, I've been really enjoying the Marc Jacobs primer, and it's probably something similar to that. It's probably like a cream color. Oh, it's actually white. But we'll give it a try. Maybe we can do like a battle of the primers, which one to see is the best, like luxury type of eyelash primer. So that was really cool. Let's see what else we have. So, ooh, I love getting like little perfume samples because they're great to travel with, especially if you get one that's in your favorite scent and you just kind of throw it in your bag or in your carry-on. But we got the Good Girl perfume, and I want to say, it doesn't say what scent it is. Maybe on the card it says what scent it is. It says the notes, it's a floral, it has tuberose, jasmine, and tonka bean. Oh, it smells really good. So I just found out something. I was at a Macy's little perfume stand or whatever, and you're actually not supposed to rub it. And I think with, you know, seeing everyone rubbing it, if you ever like look on your perfume or the perfume box, it'll tell you the notes, which I never actually looked into that and saw and be like, oh yeah, like I totally understand, like, because it basically breaks down the scent. So like I was saying before, so it says meet the notes. So the fragrance family is floral. So the top note, you'll smell the tuberose, and then once it kind of starts fading away, you'll smell the middle note, which is a jasmine, and then the base note is the tonka bean. So like throughout the day, it's like you might be smelling like fresh when you first smell it, but then throughout the day, it's like it gets like, oh, like I'm smelling this, oh, I'm smelling that, but it smells so good. It's like, it's definitely a very strong, I feel like kind of slightly like a slight musk, but it's very nice. It's like a very different perfume than I would personally choose for myself, but that's very, very nice. Alrighty, next product we have is this DP Hue ACV, oh my gosh, it's right here, apple cider vinegar hair rinse. It is a shampoo substitute that gently removes impurities, color locking technology. It says wet scalp and hair, squeeze excess water out, apply directly to scalp, massage into scalp and hair, leave in to 1 to 3 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Let's see what it smells like. It probably smells like apple cider and vinegar. I can't smell it since a perfume, but I'll definitely try this out and see how I like it. I've used these like hair rinses before, and I feel like honestly it really doesn't do very much to me. I think if you don't have, say, a lot of oils in your hair, or say if you're using a lot of dry shampoo, then it'd be a great product for you. But personally for me, for my type of hair, it just never works out, but we'll give it a try. Ooh, we have the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. I've been wanting to try this brand for like the longest time, and I think I just never wanted to get into it because I think the price, but now they have these little mini sizes available now, so let's see what it smells like. Oh, it has like a little seal on it. We like a fresh seal. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like just pure coconut. Oh, it smells so good. Definitely gonna bring this with me whenever I travel and stuff like that. If I like this scent, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love the other scent. But like I said, I never was really interested in buying it because of the full size, because it was like, I think like what, like $30, I think, maybe it's more than that. But the mini sizes are definitely a little bit more affordable, but it actually lets you try out the product before you commit to a whole full size. Okay, so we just have 2 products left. And we have this Coola Mineral Sun Silk Cream. It's a sunscreen. It is a full 360 spectrum. It is oil-free, anti-pollution, and it has SPF of 30. So I want to say I had this in a sample that I actually got from Sephora because a friend, I think she uses this brand, and I want to say this exact product, and this is actually a perfect thing. Like I said, summer is here. We want to protect our skin. So if you're like out and about and you're like, oh dang, I didn't put any sunscreen on, these little products really come in handy. And let's see if I can get the smell on it. It has a seal on it. Make sure it doesn't squirt in my face like last time. It doesn't smell like anything. Probably because it probably doesn't have a scent, but the perfume is so strong. But it's like squirts them out. This puts them out. I just want to come out. Come on. I just want to like see what you look like. Ooh! It did squirt out. Like, see what you look like. Ooh! It did squirt out. It does not have a scent, so I don't think it's scented. But it feels really nice, very hydrating. So this is a product that would be great in conjunction with a moisturizer. So like I said, in the morning, or if you're like out and about and you're like, oh my gosh, like I'm in the sun and you don't have any like protective wear like sunglasses or a hat, this would be really perfect to keep handy. And the last product, I've noticed that they always put Bite Beauty like lipsticks in here, but this is a very pretty color. It is in the shade Chai. So let's swatch it. Oh, this is very pretty. And Bite Beauty's products are so creamy and so good. Like, I don't mind this in every box, but I've noticed it. But that is the shade that it's in. It's a very pretty like berry maroony color. I would say it's a perfect fall color, but you could definitely pull away like any time of the year. But that is it for this box. There's no more products. So some products that I would say that are like my top number ones. Definitely this Coola Mineral Sun Silk Cream. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. And then this Sol de Janeiro little body cream. Probably like my top 2 that I really enjoy out of this box. And the perfume is always like a bonus type thing when you get your Sephora play. They usually try to throw like a bonus item in there, and it's normally the perfume. The perfume smells amazing, and it's, like I said, definitely something that I wouldn't normally pick for myself. But sometimes Sephora play boxes can be hit and misses, and it's kind of like Ipsy, and it's almost like Target Beauty box, and they kind of don't know what you get until like you get the box. But if you guys are interested, Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription, so it's very similar to like Ipsy and like BoxyCharm, that type of vibe. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down in the description box. So let me know in the comments down below what products that kind of caught your eye or you're gonna be getting next month's Sephora Play. Let me know. But that is gonna be it for this one, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.